Hey everyone! Imagine you're about to shift gears but suddenly your transmission doesn't respond properly. Maybe the gear changes are delayed or the car jerks unexpectedly. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0950. This code is related to the auto shift manual mode circuit malfunction, which means there's an issue with your gear shift system. If ignored, it can lead to serious transmission performance problems. Today, I'll explain what P0950 means, where the key sensors and components are located, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0950? DTC P0950 stands for Auto Shift Manual Mode Circuit Malfunction. This means there's an electrical issue in the manual shift mode circuit, affecting how your car processes gear shift commands. Common symptoms of P0950. If your car has this code, you may experience manual shift mode not working. Manual shift mode not working. Hard or delayed shifting. Hard or delayed shifting. Transmission slipping or hesitation. Transmission slipping or hesitation. Check engine light or transmission. Warning light limp mode, stuck in one gear. Sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose and fix P0950, locate these key components. Gear shift, selector switch. Location. Found on the gear shifter assembly, either on the center console automatic or near the transmission linkage manual. Function. Detects gear selection and sends signals to the TCM. Detects gear selection and sends signals to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location. Usually found under the hood near the battery, on the transmission housing or inside the dashboard. Function. Controls gear shifts based on input from various sensors. Controls gear shifts based on input from various sensors. Shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location. Located inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission pan. Function. Regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Input and output speed sensors location, mounted on the transmission case near the drive shaft. Function. Gear position sensor, if equipped. Location. Mounted on the gear shifter or near the transmission linkage. Communicates shift position data to the TCM. What causes P0950? Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Faulty gear, shift selector switch, prevents proper manual gear selection. 2. Wiring or connection issues. Loose or corroded wiring can cause electrical failures. 3. Malfunctioning shift solenoids, prevents fluid pressure from adjusting correctly.